How to add Klarna to Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page is go over to the bottom left hand corner and select Settings. After selecting Settings, you are going to tap on Payments. And once you have selected Payments, what I want you to do next is simply scroll down and you are going to see additional payment methods. I want you to scroll down and you are going to tap on Add Payment Methods. Here in the search bar, I want you to type in Klarna. And you will see it right here. You can simply tap on it. So you are going to tap on Klarna to select it. And that's it. You have now added Klarna payment option, as you can see right here. All you have to do is simply tap on Activate. Once you have selected Activate, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can see the app will allow you to accept Klarna as a payment method and gain access to Klarna's vast global customer base. And you can scroll down and all you have to do now is simply tap on Connect. Once you have selected Connect, you will be redirected to this page. And all you have to do now is tap on Install App. After we have installed the app, you can tap on Required Only or you can tap on Always. And you can see right here, you'll simply enter your Klarna login information and create a password. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.